Hello friends, today we learn SQL. Today I teach you how to get the table name and description about the table, which type of data can hold in table. Now first we have to start from number of tables which is available in user. So that we have to write select star from tab. This is the first query which is display the name of table which is available in particular user. When this is select query, select star from tab, and this is the semicolon which is terminate your query. It understand that this is your query is over here. So now it will be executed. When you hit enter, this SQL is a prompt where we have to write a query. This is the prompt and this is our query. Using query, we get the output. This is the SQL environment, Oracle SQL environment, where we have to execute all the queries. Now we start how to get the table data. Select star from tab is one of the query which get the table data of particular users. Now, when we execute select star from tab query, it get the all table names from particular users. T name is a table column, tab type is a table column, cluster ID is also table column, and DPT, EMP, bonus, and cell grade, and these are the table types. Table, these are the data. These all are data of table. Okay. Now, suppose I want to check which type of data stored in DEPT table? So we cannot guess, we just use DESC, DEPT. DESC means description of table name. Description of table name. DEPT is one of the table. Okay, now we have to use DESC, description of DEPT. Enter. Now it shows name, its name of column, is null means it's a constraint. This constraint we can understand in later chapter. And type is belongs to which type of data can be held in particular column, means number 2, type DPT number column hold a number data of maximum 2 digit. Same, dname is one column which hold varchar2 means for string data. Varchar2 14 means it holds 14 characters in dname. Same lock, this lock column, it stored again string data with 30 columns. This DSC DPT is always give us the detail of particular table. Now if I want to check which data is stored in DBT, so retrieving a data from DBT table, I have to use select star from DBT table name, then semicolon. Now hit enter. You get DBT number, dname, and log column, which is described in DSC column, DSC command. Here it will DPT number is a column 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the data. Dname is a column name, same as here. It's stored varchar to 14 means 14 number of characters it will be stored. Lock is another column and it holds 13 characters. New York. Dallas, Chicago, and Boston. These are the data, and this is the column. DPT number, DNAME, and location. This is 3R column, and that columns hold value. It's called data. So this is about the DPT table. Now same we check for EMP table. So first we have to check the description of table. So DSC EMP. Now execute. Name. This is the data constraint, and this is the type of column hold data. EMP number is a one column. It holds number 4, means a number data of 4 digit. ENAME is a second column. It holds varchar to 10, means 10 number of characters in ENAME. Job varchar to 9, it holds 9 character. MGR, it holds number 4 digit. Hire date, okay, this is one. This is the new one. Hire date is hold the date of particular hire. So we said we give the type date. A date shows that date only can be stored, not a string or not a numeric data. This is the cell column. In cell column, number 7 comma 2, this is one of new things. Suppose we have learned numbers 4 means 4 digit of numbers, but here number 7 comma 2 means total number of digit is 7. In 7, last 2 digit is for decimal point. So cell could be a in this decimal point also value, so that we can use number 7 comma 2, total number of 7 digit, but in 7 digit the 2 is for decimal point. Okay, same as commission column, number 7 2, again it will hold decimal point, float values, and DPT number, it's for number 2, it holds number 2 digit. Now we check the data in EMP table. Select star from EMP. Look at here. When we get the data from DEPT, we use select star from DEPT, same as select star from. But instead of DEPT, we use EMP table. So it will give the data of EMP table. EMP table has total number of 14 rows. In that EMP table, look at here. First column is EMP number, EMP name, job, MRG, same as in same sequence, hire date, sale, commission, and DEPTNO. But here this output is not proper. If we want to show the output in proper manner, we have to set two environment variables using line size and page size. Set line size 100 and set page size 30. Now again hit that command, same query, select star from EMP. Look at here, it's perfect. So suppose any output is not in proper manner, or it will be multiple lines, and you want to proper format that output, you can do using set line size and page size. These two parameter is for increasing buffer size of particular SQL environment. So now it will be increase the size of buffer, so we can see the proper output of particular table. Now again we have to check, we can check the other table name using scrolling here on, or you can execute a query, same query, select star from tab, find other tables. DEPT and EMP we have already discussed. Now go through the next one. DESC bonus. Bonus table has e-name, job, sale and commission, 4 columns. Same vice versa it has same column has a same corresponding data type varchar 2, 10, varchar 9, number. Now we have to get data from it. Select star from bonus. Okay, no row selected means in this table there is no any single data available, no any single row available. Fine, so it will show no row selected. Now next table, DESC cell grade. It has 3 column: grade, lower cell and higher cell. These 3 columns, and it has data type number. Now we have to get data from it. Select star from cell grade. Fine, it has 5 row. It shows 700, 12, 12. This is the lower cell, this is the higher cell for grade 1. Grade 2 has, this is the lower cell and this is the higher cell. If cell is between these two range, it will be third grade. This 2001 to 3000, it will be grade 4. 3001 to 9999, then it grade 5 belongs to that grade 5. These are the 4 tables. We get the data, we get the description of table, and we get the data of table. Now, this is select star from table name is for getting the whole column and whole data from particular table. Again, I have to use um, clear screen. This is the one command which use to clear the screen. Okay, now again we have to select star from tab, getting the table name. Okay, this is DEPT EMP. Suppose I want to display first thing, we check DSC EMP. Okay, now I want to display EMP number and name only from particular table, means 2 columns I have to display. We can write select EMPNO comma e name from EMP. Here, look here, select. In previous query, we use select star from EMP for all the columns and all the data we have to display. Now we want to display only 2 columns with all data of particular 2 columns. So we have to write select EMP number, e name from EMP and hit enter. Display its 2 number. All the data stored in EMP table, but we required only 2 columns. So we can use select particular 2 column name from EMP table. Fine. Same as we can use any table or any sequence. Select ename comma EMP number from EMP. It means there is no required to mention column sequence belongs to a table. Okay, so you can write in any sequence in select query, it will be show display, but the major condition is that column is belongs to that table. Okay, same as for DPT DSC, we just have to DPT detail. Now we have to use select DPTNO from DPT table. Now look at this one. Again select and dname from DPT table. Fine. So using this one, you can execute select query in multiple ways and multiple data you have to shown on screen. Fine. Now today we learn how to get the table name from particular user, which tables are available in your particular users, what is the column is in which table, and description of table, and which type of data can be hold particular tables in particular column. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.